Hello everyone, a very good morning once again. So I welcome all of you into my channel. So today in this video we will know about the role of Indian Navy in Kargil War. Friends, today is 26th of July 2020 and it is the 21st anniversary of Kargil War. So it is very important to note that what was the role of Indian Armed Forces in Kargil operation. So friends, most of us know about what was the role of Indian Army and Indian Air Force in Kargil War. For example, the Indian Army launched the Operation Vijay and get back the Kargil post as well as the Tiger Hills. And we also know that the Indian Air Force launched the Operation Safed Sagar, and under which the Pakistani forces were targeted from air force from air routes. So in this video, we will know about what was the role of Indian Navy in the Kargil War. So many people know the role of Indian Army and Indian Air Force, but little know that Indian Navy was also involved strategically to defeat the Pakistani forces. The Indian Navy launched Operation Talwar to blockade the Karachi port during Kargil War. You have to remember this because today is Kargil War and it can be asked in your interview if your interview is very near. So please remember, apart from the Operation Vijay, which was done by Indian Army, the Operation Safed Sagar, which was done by Indian Air Force, and remember the Operation Talwar, which was done by the Indian Navy. So here you can see that Indian Navy also prepared to blockade the Pakistani ports, primarily the Karachi port. Friends, we all know that in Pakistan, the Karachi port is the main port of their country. Although nowadays they are working on Gwadar port, but the Gwadar port is not developed so far. So that's why the Karachi port is the main port of Pakistan, and about 90% of trades used to happen at that particular time in 1999 by this port only. So the Indian Navy also prepared to blockade the Pakistani ports to cut off supply routes under Operation Talwar. The Indian Navy's western and eastern fleets joined in the North Arabian Sea and began aggressive patrols and threatened to cut Pakistani sea trade. This exploited Pakistan's dependence on sea-based oil and trade flows. Later, then Prime Minister of Pakistan Nawaz Sharif disclosed that Pakistan was left with just 6 days of fuel to sustain itself if a full-scale war had broken. So here you can see that how a blockade can change the scenario of a war, because Pakistan used to trade the oil and the natural gas, petrols from Arabic countries, for example, the Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, through this port only. And in the Pakistan strategic reserve, there were only 6 day fuel were remaining. So if the full scale war between India and Pakistan happened, then Pakistan will have running out of the fuel within 6 days. So this will lead Pakistan to a great loss, although they had lost otherwise. But if they had not gave up, then the condition of Pakistan would have more worst. So here you can see the Arabian Sea. This is the picture, the map of Arabian Sea, and this is the Karachi port. It is also called as the port of Qasim, and this is the port of Gwadar, which is currently being developed by China according to the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. So in 1999, this port was not that efficient. So most of the trades of Pakistan used to be done by Karachi port only. So Indian Navy, the eastern and as well as the western fleets, they came together and started a Operation Talwar in northern Arabian Sea, and they blockaded the sea routes, the sea trades of Pakistan through other countries, and this is why they had to give up because they were running out of fuel. So I hope you understood. So today is 26th of July and today is Kargil Vijay Divas. So very happy, and I wish all of you to join Indian Armed Forces if you are preparing for. If you have SSB, then please get selected, and also remember this Operation Talwar by Indian Navy. So this is all in this video. I hope you like it. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Bye. Have a nice day.